Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that powers our digital world: IP addresses. You've probably heard of IPv4 and IPv6, but what's the real difference, and why does it matter? Think of IPv4 as the original address system for the internet. It's been around for ages, using a 32-bit system. This gave us about 4.3 billion unique addresses. Pretty impressive, right? But with the explosion of connected devices, from your phone to your smart fridge, we're running out of those original IPv4 addresses. It's like a city running out of house numbers. That's where IPv6 comes in. It's the next generation, using a much larger 128-bit system. This means an almost unimaginable number of unique addresses, enough to give every single grain of sand on Earth its own internet address. This upgrade ensures the internet can continue to grow and connect us all seamlessly. Thanks for joining me. If you found this helpful, consider following for more tech insights.